Some positive news coming in for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sisi ameno kase Kotoko next game obebo a CAF Confederation Cup against team your friend Wak and crying. Now the good news is that Kotoko leading striker Albert Amoah is set to feature in this particular game. Albert Amoah on that screen is on. And now this photo was taken at Abraham Kese. Abraham Kotoko ebo against Nations FC no. Ohe na wanze one gina ho no bibia nye no na enura no na coach no and the technical team agreed that they didn't want to risk him. Enura nka Albert Amoah bitima bobo ni bi na emom no okon a eda nipa anim no enye okon ketwa. What is it? Inti that was the main reason inti a enura Albert Amoah entimi amobɔ no enye say onye fully fit. Nemum no nano no unya knock ene o preferry game no na di pra na nheda nye hu ena 2 days time no ho ato na Saturday ya nke Sunday mpo a umfa ni nkojira game mu se ommo abra o crucial game ahead of you very important game. CAF Confederation Cup not mean a small club like Wak of Morocco. That was it. I don't say a better more me and Bobby. The positive news is that you know work game no. You know work game no. Or you 100 fully percent fit. Training from Monday, Kotoko recovery. Obeya kopem say work game ni bedru. And ye mpai bo nyina ne say ma bibia insi in terms of injury so that we will have a full squad going to the work game. Ebekoso utumfo nyankopon ya adoma kwasi ada next week Sunday ya na ehyehyɛ so and next week ye ne work ebompa se ye be show mu ne ya show mu ye pa.